Nature. We live in it, we feed on it, we return to it. A living land which is experiencing difficult times. How do we relate today to the mighty mountains, the chattering rivers, the fertile fields, the magical animals, and the wise plants? The abuse that human beings inflict on our Mother Earth comes back to us in the form of disease, droughts, floods, and heat waves. Everything is interconnected. We are only one part of a great living organism. We are not the owners.
He observado el viento, el agua, las semillas, las hojas, las flores. El viento trae música, nos canta, ríe, juega, nos abraza. Por nuestras montañas sagradas fluye el agua que nos nutre, nos limpia, nos refresca, nos motiva. ¿Y por qué no valorar eso? Debemos ser agradecidos. Tenemos que volver a estar en contacto con nuestra Madre Tierra, la Mama Pacha.
Mother Earth, our Pachamama, our Ñuquemapu, our Tlalinantli, is fertile. She gives us everything we need.
Pachamamallay, llank'ayniwan, chakitaklaywan, kawsarichisayki, qomerllataña rikukunaykipaq, chaymantataq imaymana mikhunakunata qowayku, Pachamamallay.
Indigenous peoples speak to her, they appeal to her, they thank her. They understand that it is with her and in her that we exist.
Para nosotros la naturaleza no es un objeto, ¿no? Siempre todo tiene su personalidad, su ajayu. Un cóndor tiene su illa, ¿no? Una mujer tiene su illa, un jaguar tiene su illa, todo tiene su illa, ¿no? Las plantitas tienen sus ispayas como sus espíritus protectores.
We receive water that emanates from inside her, from her mountains, through her rivers, water that nourishes, cleanses, refreshes. Therefore, in gratitude, we are given water that we collect respectfully. From time immemorial until today, our peoples pour sacred water to toast her, and in doing so, ask her for a good life. Animals are our brothers. They speak to us. They teach us. At times, we have put the weight of the world on them. But today, all of that seems to have been forgotten.
The earth, that soil that we are part of. We are part of a planet. Our soil really belongs to the ground we're standing on. The roots of everything have an understanding that we relate to them. And so that is the real source of identity of who we are.
It's time to look inside and recognize our mistakes, learn from them, and correct them.
It's recognizing our place in the universe, and it's recognizing how we're all connected, and that be the grandfather rocks, be water, be the insects, be the animals walking on all fours, and etc.
Let us deliver to our Mother Earth what will allow us to heal together. She will know how to repay us.